Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two isosceles triangles. Our first triangle is a purple shaded isosceles triangle whose side lengths are 29, 29 and 42 units. Whereas for this green shaded isosceles triangle, its side lengths are 29, 29 and 40 units. So the only difference is this base BC is 42, whereas the base of this green shaded triangle is 40. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this purple shaded triangle, and likewise we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle as well, to see which triangle has larger area, whether it is green or purple. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Since we are interested in calculating the area of both of these triangles, and we know all these side lengths are known for this triangle and for this triangle as well. So therefore, let's recall the Heron's formula to calculate the area of the given triangle. And here's the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where A, B and C are the side lengths of this triangle, and S equals to A plus B plus C all over 2. However, this method is going to be very cumbersome and hectic, so therefore we are not going to use this Heron's formula. Instead, we are going to use a very simple trick, and we know both of these triangles are isosceles. Since this side length equal to this side length, likewise this side length equal to this side length as well. And here's our next step. I have dropped this perpendicular AP for this purple shaded triangle, and likewise I have dropped this perpendicular AP for this green shaded triangle as well. And since this side length equal to this side length, so therefore this segment BC length is going to be equal to this segment BP length, and we know this whole length is 42. So therefore this segment BC length is going to be half of that one, is going to be 21, and this is going to be 21 as well. And likewise we are going to focus on this green shaded triangle as well, since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore this segment PC length is going to be equal to this segment BP length. So therefore this segment PC length is going to be half of that one, is going to be 20, and likewise BP length is 20 as well. And now, since we are interested in calculating the area of both of these triangles, and now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this purple shaded triangle is 42. So therefore now our task is to find the value of this height AP. And likewise for this green shaded triangle, its base is 40. So therefore we are going to find the height of this perpendicular AP as well. So therefore I'm going to label this perpendicular height as lowercase h. Likewise this is going to be lowercase h as well. And now our task is to find the value of height h, and likewise the height h of this triangle as well. And now we are going to focus on this purple shaded triangle. And let's focus on this right triangle APC. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 29, whereas our two other legs are lowercase h and 21. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got h square plus 21 square equals to 29 square. And now I'm going to subtract 441 from both sides. And here we can see this is gone. So therefore h square value simply turns out to be equal to 400. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore our lowercase h value turns out to be 20 units. So thus our this height h value turns out to be 20. So thus we can see that all these three sides of this triangle APC are our well-known Pythagorean triplets. And our Pythagorean triplets are 20, 21 and 29. And now we are going to focus on this green shaded triangle. And we are going to focus on this right triangle APC as well. And now let's recall this well-known Pythagorean triplets once again, 20, 21 and 29. And we can see in this triangle APC, this number is 29, this number is 20. So therefore this third h value has got to be 21. So therefore our this perpendicular AP length turns out to be 21 units. And now we can see our this base of the triangle is known and the height is known as well. Likewise this base is known and the height is known once again. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And now we are going to calculate the area of this purple shaded triangle first. Its base is 42 and the height is 20. So therefore the area of this triangle is going to be a half times base is 42 times height is 20. And if we simplify, the area of this triangle turns out to be 420. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle as well. The base is 40 and the height is 21. So therefore the area of this triangle is going to be a half times our base is 40 times our height is 21. And if we simplify, the area turns out to be 420. So thus we can see the area of both of these triangles turns out to be equal to 420 each. So thus we can see that both of these triangles have equal area. And that's our conclusion. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.